Hello friends and my dear student. My name is Manoj Kumar Singh. I teach in Bhaurab Devra Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Noida. I teach science. So in class 8th, today we are starting the topic 1, crop production and management. In this chapter, we will discuss about these topics. So now I am discussing about the topic of the lesson. So first of all, we will discuss about the introduction of chapter. In this point, we will discuss what is agriculture, crop, etc. Second then, we will discuss about the types of crop. Third, agricultural practices. In this point, we will discuss more point like preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizer, irrigation, harvesting. At last, we will discuss about the storage of cereals, grain, etc. Last point of this chapter will be animal husbandry. So my dears, I am starting my first chapter today. First of all, what is agriculture? Agriculture, the applied branch of biology. The applied branch of biology which deals with the cultivation of plant. The applied branch of biology which deal with the cultivation of plant and rearing of animals called the agriculture. Means in this point we will discuss how can we prepare the soil, how can we grow the crop, how can we harvest and how can we storage our grain, creel, pulses, etc. Now, second one, crop. When plant of same kind, large amount of plant in same kind are grown and cultivated at the place, at the one place on a large scale, in large amount, is known as crop. Is known as crop. My dear, these points should be clear. Now, I will discuss types of crop. In our Indian agricultural activities, there are 3 types of crops are there. First, there are three types of crops. First, Rabi crops. Second, Kharif crops. Third, Zaid crop. My dear friends, now you are taking the knowledge of about the types of crop. There are 3 types of crop. First, Rabi crops. Second, Kharif crops. Third one, Zaid crops. Crops. There are 3 types of crops. So crops, first of all, I will discuss about the Rabi crops. In Rabi crops, crops which are grown and cultivated during the winter season, October to March. Timing, October to March. Example of the crops in this particular timing in Rabi crops, wheat we can grow, gram also and mustard also. These 3 things, 3 crops and other crops also, they are the main crops of Rabi crops. Now, Kharif crops, crops which are grown and cultivated during the rainy season. Are you getting? I will explain again. Crops which are grown and cultivated during the rainy season, June to September. Example of the Kharif crops are maize, millet, paddy. Many more crops are there. We can grow in this particular season. Now, I will move my next and last types of crops, Zayad crops. Which are crops which are grown and cultivated during the summer season. During the summer season, March to June. In this particular timing, we can grow watermelon, cucumber, etc. Many more types of crops we can include in this particular timing. So these are the three types of crops we can grow in different timing, different seasons, different types of crops in our Indian agriculture practices. We will discuss about the agricultural practices. Agricultural practices. My dears, in this topic, we will discuss about the many things are there, agricultural practices. So, all activities which farmer do for the cultivation and cultivation of plant are called agricultural practices. Means all these activities, whole activities which farmers do for the cultivation, which farmers do for the cultivation of plant, are called agricultural practices. Now, there are various agricultural practices. Those are related to the agriculture. Now, there are many various agricultural practices. In this, first of all, we are ready to grow the crop. Then we have to preparation of soil, tilling, ligage, and other things. Then we have to prepare the soil by hoe, cultivator, and others agriculture implement. Sowing, selection of seed, and we have to grow inside the soil. Adding manure and fertilizers. Time to time, we have to grow the manure and fertilizer to our particular crops. Irrigation, these all are the necessary tasks to our agriculture activities. Now, irrigation, it is a main task of the agriculture. So we have to give the water time to time in fixed interval to the crop. Protection, when crop will grow in large height and out of soil, then we have to protect from the weeds, weedicide, insecticide. Most of all things are there. Now, when crops will mature, then we have to harvest of the crop. Harvesting of the crop. Now, last we have to storage in go down. Means we have to store our crops and our grain, pulses inside go down. Then we can store these things in our future. Now, so my dears, these are the topic for today. Now we are giving the homeworks, so you have to do in your house. Then I will check tomorrow, but you can show me in the class. So homework is there. Draw the mind map of agricultural practices. Second question, read the chapter. Thank you for today. Thank you, my dear.